Slime Rancher video. I think this will be the 4th episode in the series now, and so we're just going to continue from where we left off. Now I have finally downloaded a free editing program, so in the future I should be able to do commentaries just with edited photos in, kind of like just from other channels you've seen before. Probably. So, in the future, my videos will not be as frequent and more high quality, hopefully. I can't really spend any money on this stuff right now, so I'm just doing the best I can with what I've got. So, we unlock the Indigo Quarry and the 2 ranch expansions here, and I need to work on getting more money. And to do that, I need to feed my slimes. And to feed my slimes, I need food. And to make more food, I need more money. It's a vicious cycle. So, it's still the beginning, things are still slow. So, I'll just do what I usually do and keep ranching slimes, keep farming quartz, keep growing crops, and breeding my hens and roosters. Now, last video I used full screen mode for what I was recording with, so the ending, or towards the end of the video, it did get a little bit messy. Now, I don't know if that problem is still going to occur in this video, but I hope it doesn't. So I'm going to go out exploring. Now, I have a few theories on this landscape and why the slimes are here. So originally, these slimes kind of just floated underwater, feeding on kelp and such. Then, since this is literally called the dry reef, it dried out and there used to be an ocean here, and so the slimes could roam freely. And you see these, I forget what they're called. It's not coral, but you probably know what I'm talking about. They're like sponges, and then they just shoot out the slimes. And then now, the hens and chickadees and roosters, they move in since it's dry, and plants began growing, and that's why everything looks pink and so do the rocks, because it used to be underwater. So that's just my theory of this landscape. So let me talk about the moss blankets. Now, from experience, there's a letter in there by I forget his names. Hobbins, something like that. Hobson Twilgers. He left a note there, and he said that it was sort of like the dry reef, and that plants didn't start rapidly growing until recently. Now, you never get to see this mysterious person. You never get to see what he looks like. But fans have made some pretty good guesses, and I don't think their creator or creators ever really intended to make an actual form for him, like what he looks like, just his personality. And so there's not a really tricky and like eye-opening story, but it does catch your attention. So I've been playing the server for a few recorded hours now, and So this is Bob, and he wants chickens all the time. So I'm just gonna scoop some up from here. Oh, an elder hen. An old bird whose egg-laying days are over. Easy. So I should just feed this elder hen to whatever slime I choose. I should probably get the tabby slimes, the boom slimes, and the water slimes eventually. But there is a place on the docks where you can put the water slimes, so I'm gonna hold off on the water slimes for just now. So there are even more ranch expansions than these 3 places. The 2 people that you trade with here, although I know there are more than 2, but these specific 2, Milky Miles and Ogden Ortiz, you can do missions for them once you gain enough money, and you get a significant amount of money for doing that. So, oh yeah, and also once you fully complete their missions, they give you their ranch. So that helps a lot. So Ogden Ortiz gives you a bunch of farm upgrades, which is really helpful. And then Milky Miles, she just gives you a lot of money, an upgraded coop, and an upgrade for the port market. And that's pretty much it. There's also another place for water slimes in her range expansion. Although, I guess to her it's not a range expansion. And now I'm getting a lot of quartz. Yep, that's a lot. So things will really start to pick up once I unlock the science area. And I unlock a bee drum. Those can do things automatically for me. They can store food and I can just feed it to the slimes. They can feed the food to the slimes. They can bring plorts to the plort market. They can I don't know, but they can do a lot of stuff, even though I can only list a few. But yeah, they're really helpful. But I mainly use them to transfer things, which is what they're designed for. So they can bring plorts to the plort market, or they can bring food from the gardens to a silo. So I'm gonna keep collecting plorts. There's not much else to do right now, but trust me, the game will pick up. And I've built up a significant amount of money. Let's see. I don't need the water tank. Guess I can get the jetpack. And upgrades for this. So, I wouldn't recommend getting the scare slime unless you do have problems with your slimes. But then you shouldn't buy the scare slime unless you've already fully upgraded that corral. So let me check what price the lab is. Yeah, it is exactly 10,000 new bucks. So, oh wait, I still have a little bit of money left. This is already fully upgraded for the moment. I guess I'll get another upgrade for me. Yep. So now I can use my jet. Oh, I'm out of stamina. So now I can use my jet, but it uses stamina and it goes down pretty rapidly, but you can get upgrades for that. So, like all the other videos, I'll just let you pause it here if you want to. And that's it. That is all the new star mail that I have received. I should probably turn on my light right now. Well, I'm gonna go searching for odd onions in the Indigo Quarry. And here I am. So there are usually odd onions growing around here, but I don't see any, of course. And if I remember correctly, I was gonna go back for an ornament. That's not. Oh, the golden slime again. But I don't have any golden ginger. And if you pause the video and read Ogden Ortiz's letter, he did mention it, and he said how rare it was. You can only find it in the glass desert. I wonder what he's doing. Yeah, you can't suck him up. I know that from experience. And he just goes away. Although there was that one time that he actually gave me a gold plort, and I recorded that. So I think the ornament is right around here, but it's up there. But with my jetpack, I don't need to take the long way. I just put the volume up a little bit because it seems a little quiet. Ah, here's the ornament. Oh, and I do need more red slimes. Oh no, I got back up. That's why the jetpack is really helpful. Those are all the stepping turns. Oh boy. So, I haven't planned any commentary. It's not much happening. No drama or any of that. So, I really don't know what to talk about. I don't think I need these hen-hens, but I do need some water. Oh, and I already created some ports. So I think you can have 4 or 5 in a body of water at a time. For some reason they just get shy and disappear for more than 5. So I think I had 9 red slimes. So I think 5 should be enough. So here's something that in my first playthrough, I never even noticed. This rock gordo here. I don't have any food for it though. Still looking for some odd onions. If I do find some, I can just dispense this tabby ornament. I don't really need it. I think there should be more water slimes around here. Right. I can't seem to find where they are. Okay, I need to show you a semi-secret area. No, not that way. So back here, yeah. Then you go through this tunnel that's left from that chicken nest, or hen nest, and there's this big red gordo. Now the interesting thing about this gordo is that, see that radiation aura? Well, the more you feed it, the bigger it gets, so the aura around it gets larger. So you might want to watch your health when you're in there. Oh boy, the tower's here. Oh wait, I just noticed they're not even called water slimes, they're called puddle slimes. Huh. I guess I just forgot. Where are all the odd onions? They should be in here somewhere. Oh, there's one. Oh, oops. No! They're eating them! They already ate it. Great. Well, I guess I'll continue my search. None here. Slimes are difficult. Now there is a one-way portal back here, but I'm not gonna go there just yet. Where am I? Oh, this place. Okay. Is that where onions would be? Not grown yet, anyways. Well, shoot. Oh, that's to the, temple gate, or whatever it's called. Oh wait, can I get back across this? Can't. So I think I have reached the end of Indigo Quarry. I'm pretty sure this goes odd onion. Finally. Yes. And then, oh, what? Did I just get lost? Why am I back over here? So I go this way, huh? Oh. This is the dead end place. Well, I guess I'll go back to that one-way portal and I'll get back to you when I'm there. Okay, so I'm back. And here's the one-way portal. Plus this box which has a pink ornament, just a pink slime. So, alright. Forgot about puddle slimes. So, yeah, this is one-way portal. You can't go back through it to that place. Oh, I guess these portal slimes just have to go. So, what's next on the agenda? I guess getting into the moss blanket? I didn't get a lot of herpes even though I bought the nutrients. Oh. Wait. Oh, it's just that one. And now my pink slimes have food, or they will, so they won't be this hungry. So I think I explained this before, but odd onions are better to plant than carrots because they grow both odd onions. Oh, forgot about that. They grow both odd onions and carrots. And I'll show you that in just a minute. Need to collect all of these plants. Okay, but I do have more health to try to help Marshall. Oh. My inventory slot for that is full, I didn't realize. I think I used to have more crystal slimes. Need some escape. Ooh, red quartz are up. Yeah, that's a lot of new bucks. Wait, any... Oh, they're almost done. So... Oh yeah, and when I was talking about the missions, this is the portal to Moki Manor, which is where you do the mission for Moki Miles. But as you can see, it's not active yet. And now I get to grow odd onions and carrots. See how little they are? Odd onions and carrots. Now there are more carrots than odd onions, but that's fine. You only really feed the odd onions to the crystal slimes up there, or wherever you put them, because it doesn't have to be in the setup, and it shouldn't be in the setup, because I'm going to reorganize everything once I get the bee drone so that it's most efficient. Oh wait, I still have a little bit of money. So, I don't know how many years this game has been out, but it's sort of recent. Kind of. Just a little bit. Oh wait, I need to buy the rest of the garden upgrades for this. Oh. Well, I haven't gotten all the rock and phosphor reports. Okay, that's enough. I don't know why I said that, kind of aggressive. But that's enough new bucks to get 2 upgrades. I knew it. I put in more slimes and 1 escaped. I'm definitely buying that upgrade now. I think I'm just short if I buy that. Yeah, I would have been just short of the amount I needed. I can't buy anything else then. Well, I'm getting tired. I woke up pretty early today. So, I've made a significant amount of progress in this video. I know it's sort of more uncut. I only made 1 cut. But, there wasn't really much to cut. So, I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll make more content like it. Or maybe not, depending on your suggestions, although I haven't seen any so far. If you do have any suggestions, feel free to leave those in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Like the video if you liked it. Leave a dislike if you didn't like it. I really need your feedback, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye bye.